Are you ready to pursue your dreams abroad? Good news! The Islamic Development Bank Scholarship 2025 is now open for applications. This fully funded opportunity is gateway to brighter future. Let's walk you through the step-by-step process to make your application shine. Imagine studying at some of the best universities around the world without worrying about tuition fees or living costs. The Islamic Development Bank Scholarship Program offers that and much more. From undergraduate degree to postdoctoral research, this scholarship covers everything you need: tuition fees, monthly stipends, medical supports, and even travel allowances. Stay with me as I explore how you can seize this incredible opportunity. So what exactly does this scholarship offer? A monthly stipend to cover your living expenses, full tuition fee paid directly to your university, comprehensive medical insurance to keep you healthy, a generous travel allowance to help you get to your destination. It's not just a scholarship, it's a complete support system designed for your success. No matter where you are in your academic journey, there is a place for you here. Undergraduate programs for those starting their higher education, master's degree for students looking to specialize, PhD research for aspiring scholars, and even postdoctoral studies for those ready to make groundbreaking contributions. What can you study under this scholarship? The ISPD focuses on areas that deliver global progress and sustainable development, including sustainable agriculture, climate change and energy, education for sustainable development, health and hygiene, information and communication technology for development, Islamic economics and finance, and many more. These fields are designed to empower communities and contribute to the sustainable development goals. Now mark your calendars. Applications open in February and close in April 2025. Program duration varies based on the degree you choose. Don't miss out. Start preparing early to give yourself the best chance of success. Applying is simple if you follow these steps carefully. Number 1. Visit the ISBD official website. Create an account and log into the application portal. Number 2. Complete the online application form with accurate details. Number 3. Upload all required documents. Number 4. Sign the surety bond to confirm your commitment. And finally, submit your application before the deadline. I will guide you through each of these steps in detail. Here is what you will need to prepare for your application. Number 1. National ID or passport. Number 2. Academic certificates and transcripts. Number 3. Medical fitness certificates from a recognized doctor. Number 4. CV highlighting your achievements. Number 5. Research proposal if applying for PhD or postdocs programs. Double check each document to ensure it's clear and up to date. A key part of this scholarship is the surety bond. By signing it, you commit to completing your studies diligently, returning to your home country after graduation, serving your community and contributing to its development. This is more than just a scholarship, it's a commitment to give back and make a difference. You are almost there now. Before hitting the submit button, review all your documents on the last time. Ensure every section of the application form is filled correctly. And most importantly, submit your application before the deadline. Your future starts now. Don't wait. Want to boost your chances of success? Here are some pro tips. Start early to avoid last minute stress. Write a compelling research proposal that shows your passion. Highlight how your education will benefit your community. Ensure all documents are certified and legible. Remember, a well-prepared application stands out. If you need help, don't hesitate to reach out. Visit Islamic Bank Development official website for full details. Contact email support for specific queries. Check the frequently asked question sections to find answer to common questions. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Best of luck on your journey. Remember, this is more than just a scholarship. It's an opportunity to transform your future and make a real impact in your community, empowering communities through education. Let this be your guiding light.